Well, does the government, in the absurd, hyperbolic, black and white discussions we have in American media and politics, the government should run nothing. The government should run everything. Well, that's absurd, right? So the
Right.
government should run nothing. Really? They shouldn't run the police. They shouldn't run the military. And then they go, well, of course they should do that, right? But is it of course? Because we had privatized fire departments in this country. How'd that
Yep.
work out for us? And not well, because it turns out fires spread. And so if Bob didn't pay his fire insurance and they let his house burn down, first of all, you're deeply immoral. But second of all, it also goes to your house. And by the way, you know what's like a fire? A virus. So that's why we should have universal health care. Because if your neighbor gets sick, you might get sick as well. And so just saying, oh, you didn't pay your insurance, so your daughter should die of cancer, even if you were that deeply immoral, is not a great answer, even for your own self-interest, right?
Right.
So should the government run some things? Obviously. Then the question is, what should they run, right? And then we begin to have a rational conversation of, okay, for example, Finland does its education system in this way where they ban private education. When I first started reading about that, private schools, right, at the pre-college level, I was shocked by that. And I thought there's no way that's going to work because I believe in competition. I believe in the wisdom of the crowd. I believe in a lot of things like that, right? And then it worked. And they became number one in the world. They beat the South Koreans. How the hell did they beat the South Koreans? So I'm a person who believes in facts and evidence. So I go, okay, interesting. We should think about the Finnish model for education.